Welcome to MarineMax Crosslake, where we have a 2026 Cobalt R4 for sale. This is in the beautiful ebony gel coat exterior color. It's equipped with a Mercury 6.2 liter, 350 horsepower stern drive motor. It's got the Dua propellers on the Bravo 3 outdrive. There's a heavy duty ski pylon for the back so you can do some water sports, a flip down swim step, beautiful non-skid flooring all the way through the boat, the gunwales, and the platform. We have lots of in-floor storage, lots of underseat storage with these hinged bow seats. We also have a few molded in cooler spots. So that's self-bailing. You can fill it up with ice, put your drinks in there, and then not have to worry about draining it out later. It'll drain itself out. This is the caramel/carbon interior vinyl color scheme. We have an adjustable rear lounger for comfortable seating, an adjustable passenger backrest system with the bolster cushion. The captain also gets a bolster cushion, and you have dual Garmin touchscreen displays at the dash with an adjustable leather-stitched steering wheel that's custom designed to match the rest of the boat. This has the JL audio system with the subwoofer upgrade. You have courtesy lights, storage lighting, and so much more to see here on this boat. Come see it today at MarineMax in Crosslake, or visit our website, marinemax.com, to see more Cobalt boats for sale.